Okay, so I'm gonna talk about some lessons I learned from trading this year. I hit my 1 year mark like the beginning of December, but trading a full year through some of the things I feel the same about, like being present in your journey. If you're profitable this week, this month, say it. People would love to get on Twitter or TikTok here and say, oh, if you haven't trained for 3 years, you don't know what you're talking about. You haven't trained for four. Like, it does not matter. I'm trading for a year now. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm profitable now, but maybe in 4 years I won't be. Like, I'm not going to say that. Literally don't care. Two, show up every day. This year, Black Friday, great price action, even though the market closed at noon. I usually trade every day in general, except days when it closes early, because those are days that actually is bad. Not this year. The day before Thanksgiving closed early as well. Cooked. This whole December, besides the first week of December, that was really bad. However, I also learned from that, if you are emotional, it's okay to take a break. Don't get on the internet saying, oh, don't trade December because you're emotional. I would never say that. People who say that, oh, don't trade December, don't trade Monday, don't trade Black Friday, don't trade. No, if you don't want to trade, that's fair, because I knew emotionally I probably would have fumbled this good price action anyway. So I just let me take my break. No FOMO. Next 2025, I'm showing up every day unless I am emotional. I'm showing up every day. I'm doing my thing. Neglecting the 15-minute chart really kind of hurt me, because those are the days that I learned when I lose, it's a nice like 15-minute retracement. Caught it today, but it didn't happen in an hour. It happened like 10 minutes, which is what I'm used to. Also, 10 a.m. news days are the days you can expect those deep 15-minute retracements, and or expect it to consolidate at 10 o'clock, and then we'll finally move in the next macro, the 1050s to 1110 macro. So now I can trade 10 a.m. news. There might be the days I still don't trade, but y'all know me. I love trading every day. I love catching a step every day. I'm one of those examples. When people tell you don't trade every day, the less you trade, the da da da. I trade every day. There's a people on here who trade every day and catch so much money. Like, don't listen to people who tell you, oh, don't trade no news Monday, don't trade this. Get on the chart. And that's really the goal for 2025. And that's the goal. That's the goal for all of us, 2025, is getting on the charts every day if you want to, and deciphering when to trade and when not to trade. Because there are days I'm like, I don't need to trade this. I shouldn't. It's rare, but there's days I shouldn't, or I wait to the next macro, or I get off the chart. Usually if there's not a setup in the first 45 minutes to an hour, I usually just get off the chart for myself from 10 to 11. However, usually that next macro is going to pick up a little bit. Or my second lesson, which should be my number one lesson, not spiraling after I take a few losses. I barely lose. I did lose a lot in December, but half of those losses were me spiraling from the first week. The first week of December, I would have just lost. I know it. But the second week, I won Tuesday and Thursday. I would have, my bread and butter setup was Monday and Friday as well. Wednesday, I just would have lost. And then Monday, I don't know. I think I lost that third week last Monday. I took a paper fake trade on Tuesday. That's the recording I posted just to like say I'm not trading no more. And then Wednesday, I was on a flight. Thursday, I got to my house at 8:30 Eastern, so I was not going to wake up and trade. And then Friday was good last week. And then again, today is what? Tuesday or Wednesday? Whatever, before Christmas. So it's like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, great price action. And then this week has been great price action. But again, I'm not having FOMO. I am going on the 30th, which is like, I'm like, should I wait till January? But either way, showing up every day, not letting your emotions get to you. Staying on the higher time frames as high as late as possible is one of my biggest rules. It helps me not get faked out. And just not getting emotional, because them 3 losses, yes, there's 3. Before that, I had a 90% win rate. And for me, I know people are like, there's no such thing as a 90% win rate. I take it as 90% of the day. So I could take 5 trades in a day. I don't. But say I take 5 trades in a day. I lose 4. I win 1, but I end the day green. That's what I mean. 90% green days. That's what I count my win rate as. I usually take 1 trade a day, so it really is 90%. But then some days I do take 2 trades in a day, and I end up the day green, but I lost 1, so it might bring my win rate down to 70, 75. It's still never really under 75. And even when I'm really sucking, it's like 66, because I know how to stop trading when I trade bad or I'm emotional, because I get emotional after I lose like 1 or 2 trades. That's my problem. So I'll just paper trade or get off the chart. But my goal is to not do that, because the day I get off the chart, because the markets could be bad 2 days. They're not going to be bad like 4 in a row. But you're going to take 2 bad trades, then not trade for 2 in a row. And then that second day, price action is going to be good. Then you're going to get on the charts, price action is going to be good. And then you're going to lose again. And then you're going to get on the chart. And it's like, no, you just show up every day And price action's gonna be bad some days, and it's gonna be good some days. That's why the goal is to be able to decipher which ones those are and not get emotional. But we will see. But that's why I made my channel, to show y'all you could be a beginner, you can be trained for less than a year, you can be emotional, irrational, and you can still be profitable and get multiple six figures in funding, because you do what? You tailor your trading to your emotions. Just like that. I'm not gonna trade as patiently as Tanya, because Tanya is insanely patient. That is not me. I cannot sit there like that. And I know that. So I get on at 10 a.m. when I know usually there's a setup right there at 10 a.m. And then obviously in December, when setups were like 30 minutes to 40 minutes after 10 o'clock, I was fumbling. And then, yes, that is why. Patience. So you do that what you will. Great trading year, honestly. I'm so proud of myself. I've done so much. I didn't hit some of my goals that were just so audacious, like make six figures, but I got multiple six figures in funding. I got double my goal of what I wanted to make in funding. So it's good. So 2025 is so good. I would share my goals, but I feel like that's bad luck to put your goals on here. Some people have, but people will pray for your downfall. But really just about to lock in. Excited for Monday to trade with my Discord. If you're in it, if you're not, you can wait till I'm profitable again. Very fair. That's why I have weekly options on there, so you can come in a week and then leave. And then, yeah, I'm really just going to post my trades. Might show my face a little more. We'll see. But the duck off, get rich, get in the gym, get my body back, and live a great life in 2025. And then obviously if TikTok does not get banned, maybe I'll turn up again. But we'll see. Do that what you will.